Hello, what's up guys? For today's video, I will be showing you how to set up your very first Scotiabank account from Canada. Of course, the very first thing you need to do is go to your usual search engine. On the URL link above, kindly type in scotiabank.com. It will lead you to this global site interface where you can choose different locations depending on where you're from. But for today's sake, let's just click enter Scotiabank Canada. It will lead you to this personalized interface, and right above you can see sign in button, but what we need to click is the activate now link below that. Once you're in, it will show you the different information that you will need to provide for you to move on with setting up the account, like account number, postal code, phone number, and so. And then on the right side of the screen, click activate now button, and uh, it will lead you to your setting up of username and password depending on what type of card or account you want to open, like mortgage or line of credit. It will show you different fill-ins. Kindly fill that in and then click continue. So like once you have finished setting that in, what you just need to do is basically click continue, and it will lead you to a notification that says you have finished your account setup and you're in. That's it. Thank you for watching.